Are you looking for the best drones? In this video, we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Holystone HS700D Drone. This drone features a 1500 kV brushless motor that's near silent but exceptionally powerful. There isn't any loud vibration on this drone, making it the best one to use in difficult terrain or nighttime operations. The Holystone HS700D is a highly premium drone with a powerful brushless 1500 kV motor that's near silent when launched. It also features a modular battery that manages roughly 20 to 30 minutes of flight and quick-release propellers for efficient storage and setup. Its software and systems are also quite the treat for drone enthusiasts: a GPS follow-me feature for hands-free aerial shots, automated return to takeoff point during a power or connection loss, and an easy custom flight path option via the app, just to name a few. The 2K FHD camera is also quite impressive for its price point, adjustable up to 90 degrees with a 110-degree FOV lens and 5G transmitting capabilities. You can even transmit your live videos up to 790 m away from origin. And if imagery is important to you, take a look at the best DSLR cameras for beginners, as they're a nice complement to the top drones. Number 2. Botensik T25 Drone. T25's 1080p HD and adjustable angles make this the best cheap drone for photography. It comes with a dual GPS and 9-axis gyro that help it stay as steady as possible even when buffeted by substantial wind speeds. For people interested in learning how to fly a drone, the Botensik T25 is a solid choice. It has a simple setup, straightforward operations, and intuitive controls so you can adjust it as needed. Another reason we highly recommend it for beginners is that it's operational indoors. This drone is also capable of adjusting camera angles up to 75 degrees with its 120-degree FOV lens, giving you more diversity to your photos/videos. And with its 9-axis gyro for maximum stability, this drone can easily fly, turn, and hover in tight spaces. Also, be sure to read our guide on the best cameras for filmmaking on a budget, since there is a strong likelihood that it will work well with the products. 2K, 120 FOV, 75 adjustable wide-angle, wider vision and fluent transmission help to capture clear photos and stable videos. Wi-Fi connection provides fast and vivid FPV image. GPS assist fly, follow me mode and dual GPS free your hands while GPS drone automatically follow you, simultaneously capturing all the videos and photos. Beside, Botensik T25 Drone will fly as you want once customized flight path function activated. Convenient and easy for beginners, headless mode, altitude mode and one key to takeoff/land functions make access to kids or beginners easier. Safe auto return, equipped with dual GPS, the drone can hover in air for easy control. It also can automatically return home once you press RTH button, which is effective measures to prevent loss of drone. Number 3. Ruko F11 Pro Drone. This drone boasts an incredible 2500 mAh intelligent battery that's capable of 30 minutes of flight. Combined with its additional battery, it can give you a full hour of uninterrupted operation. Aside from its 4K camera, the Ruko F11 Pro also comes with a 2500 mAh intelligent battery that can keep it flying for up to 60 minutes. It's also capable of transmitting live video from up to 500 m away from the origin. These features make this drone perfect for surveillance, monitoring, or casual aerial exploration. The F11 Pro also has simple commands that take the guesswork out of drone operation. Functions like auto return, one-key takeoff/landing, and tap to fly make it possible to operate right out of the box. This model even features a level 7 wind resistance for stabler flights and a convenient carrying case. Also, be sure to check out more about cameras if you're buying a new drone, in particular the best Canon DSLR. Number 4. DJI Mavic Mini Drone. This Pix 3-axis gimbal makes it the best drone for photography. It functions like a high-performance model despite being a fraction of its size, and its stability is superb for something so lightweight. The DJI Mavic Mini only measures 6.3 inch in length and weighs less than 250 g, yet it has powerful features. Under perfect weather conditions, it can reach around 30 minutes of flight time. Meanwhile, its built-in 3-axis motorized gimbal guarantees superior stability. The Mavic Mini's design is both portable and foldable, with flight speeds reaching up to 29 miles per hour. As for performance, it has a lot to offer. Picture quality is crisp, giving you 2.7K HD videos and 12MP photographs. Its operation is also straightforward thanks to the intuitive DJI Fly app. It even has a flight tutorial feature that can teach you how to use it quickly and safely, making the Mavic Mini a tough model to beat. About this item. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds by 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. In the United States and Canada, you can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the government. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer flycams on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. Number 5. Ruko F24 Drone. This drone's easy folding capabilities eliminate the need to uninstall and reinstall the propellers when packing it for travel. Its naturally compact design, additional battery, and carrying case further support its portability and ease of storage. If you're constantly bringing your drone on trips, you may want to consider the Ruko F24 as your new go-to model. Its selling point is its easy folding capabilities, and we're happy to report that it doesn't disappoint. The F24 has the standard controls needed for intelligent flights, auto-return, follow me, and one-key takeoff/landing. This drone's 2,500 mAh battery can give you at least 26 minutes of flight time. Its 1080p 5G camera saves crisp, clear footage. It's also motorized with a 120 degrees FOV lens and a 90 degrees vertical adjustment, perfect for taking shots from multiple perspectives and angles. Plus, its Ruko Drone app allows you to draw a pretty impressive custom path up to 16 points for the drone to follow.